What is an EDW? An EDW stands for Enterprise Data Warehouse. The main purpose for an enterprise data warehouse is to improve the care of patients once they are hospitalized. They either visit clinics or are seen by home health nurses. This software eliminates all excess data being input into the system. It also helps demonstrate relationships between certain data points. An enterprise data warehouse is used mainly for reporting. This software works hand in hand with other analytic programs promoting company growth. The enterprise data warehouse provides business continuity and also provides very good data availability. It also provides great data security. So it gives specific access to specific people with certain positions. It also allows for numerous inpatient and outpatient facilities to be integrated and analyzed. And it also helps patient information be available across many care facilities and can be accessed with ease.